Now, exercise 7.9, question number 5. Let's start. 5. I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2. Numerator, there is a sin x divided by 1 plus cos square x into dx. Children, you can note down one thing. Denominator, there is a cos. Cos, if you take as a t. Cos, if you take as a t, now what I am getting? Cos, if I take as a t, now when I differentiate, dt is equal to cos derivative minus sin x, x derivative dx. Minus, when you bring opposite, minus dt is equal to sin x into dx, which means the numerator sin x and dx we can write as a minus dt. So that the question became what now? Minus dt. Okay, the numerator sin x dx became minus dt. And whatever we have in a denominator, the cos square we assume as t, so that t square you will be getting t square. Minus, when you bring outside now, 1 divided by 1 plus t square into dt. So which is look like a what formula ma? Tan formula. Okay. So that tan inverse t plus c. Plus c don't give because they given interval for us. And what is the t interval? What is the t interval? T interval, let's use here. Let me make a box first. X and t. So what they gave here, x value 0, lower limit 0, upper limit pi by 2. Same thing when you substitute x 0 na, then t is equal to cos 0. Cos 0 value 1, then lower limit 1. Okay. Like that, x is equal to pi by 2 if they give, which means t is equal to cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 0, so upper limit 0. So lower limit 1, upper limit 0. That you have to apply, which means 1 to 0. 1 to 0. Apply, here we have a minus outside, so that tan inverse 0 minus tan inverse, what is that? Upper limit minus lower limit. Tan inverse 0, lower limit 1 we have applied. Now what is that? Minus tan inverse 0, 0 minus tan inverse 1 what na? Pi by 4. Pi divided by 4 you will be getting. So minus into minus plus pi by 4 is our required answer for question number 5. Is it okay, Raja? Question number 5. Question number 6 ma. Question number 6. I is equal to integral 0 to 2 1 divided by x plus 4 minus x square. See, this is not in the correct order. So order wise you have to write. So that minus x square first, then x, then plus 4. Like a degree wise I have written here. Okay. Right. This is like a quadratic form. Quadratic form na what we have to do usually? Completing square format you have to use. Okay. So take the given one. What is that? Minus x square plus x plus 4. So that minus if you take outside na, plus x square minus x minus 4 I am getting. X square minus x, coefficient of x value what na? Minus 1. Minus 1 when divided by 2, minus 1 by 2. When you square this, plus 1 by 2 whole square. So plus 1 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square, and there is the minus 4 here, that you should write as it is, minus 4. Okay. Right. Now minus, let it be outside. First 3 number will form the formula. So x minus 1 by 2 whole square minus 1 squared number 1, 2 squared 4 minus 4. When you take cross multiply, what I am getting? X minus 1 by 2 whole square minus, when you take cross multiply, 4 4s are 16, 16 1 and 17 divided by 4, the whole square. Negative when you multiple inside, minus became plus 17, you can write root 17 divided by 2, the whole square minus x minus 1 by 2 whole square. So the question became like this. Now you can rewrite the question as 0 to 2, 1 divided by root 17 divided by 2 the whole square minus x minus 1 by 2 the whole square into dx. Actually you know directly you will apply this. Directly I can apply. But this is what exercise is. Substitution they said. With help of substitution, you go like that, they said. So that substitution now you have to take t. Directly I will be using integral a square minus x square into dx. This formula I will apply. Directly I will apply. But they asked to use a substitution method, so that I am going by substitution. Okay. So that t is equal to x minus 1 by 2. Inside the bracket whatever we have, that I am taking as a 1 by 2. So what I am, sorry, x t I am taking. When I differentiate, dt is equal to x derivative 1, sorry, not 1, dx. X derivative what ma? Dx minus 1 by 2 derivative 0. So that dt is equal to dx. dt is equal to what pa? Dx. Now listen pa, so that I is equal to integral 1 divided by 17 divided by 2 whole square same, and remaining fully assumed t. So that it became what na? T square, and dx dt equal, so that instead of dx dt. That's it. And one more thing, limits you have to convert them, right? Limits you have to convert. Listen pa, this is x t na, x value 0 and 2. So 0 minus 2, what I am getting pa? Minus 1 divided by 2. 2 if I am giving na, plus 3 by 2. So that minus 1 divided by 2, 2, 3 divided by 2. Right, now you take formula. What is the formula? Have you remembered the formula? Anyone remember the formula? What formula? Integral 1 divided by a square minus x square into dx na. What is the formula, Raja? 1 by 2a into log of what, Raja? A plus x. Oh, numerator a plus x. Very good. A plus x divided by a minus x plus c. So this is the formula I am going to use. Understand? Right. But instead of a, what we have pa? Root 17 divided by 2. Okay, don't forget. Now I is equal to 1 divided by 2 times a. A value what na? Root 17 divided by 2. What is that? Root 17 divided by 2 into log a. A value what na? Root 17 divided by 2 plus x. X in the sense here t. Instead of x, t whole divided by a value root 17 divided by 2 minus t, and limits. What is the limit, Raja? Limit we have minus of plus 3 by 2. Lower limit, upper limit I have applied. And here 2 cancel da. So that remaining 1 divided by root 17 log of first upper limit let me apply. Upper limit what na? Root 17 divided by 2 plus t value what pa? 3 by 2. T value what, my dear? 3 divided by 2 whole divided by, here also root 17 divided by 2 minus 3 divided by 2. This is what? Upper limit. When you apply lower limit, put minus. So minus log of what is that? Log of log of what I am getting? Log of root 17 divided by 2 plus there is a plus here, but limit value minus 1 by 2. So that minus 1 divided by 2 you will be getting. Same manner, root 17 divided by 2, there is a minus here. So minus into minus plus 1 divided by 2 you will be getting. This is lower limit. So upper limit, lower limit we have done. Before that, let's simplify. Okay, root 17, what you can write? Log of base common. Okay, base common. So that the 2 you can cancel. Base common and 2 you can cancel. Root 17 plus 3 divided by 2. And here also root 17 minus 3 divided by 2. The 2 you can cancel, I said. 2 you can cancel. Okay. Same manner there also I will be doing. So that what I am getting? Log of root 17 minus 1 divided by 2 whole divided by root 17 plus 1 divided by 2. Okay. And here also 2 cancel. And what I am getting? Let's see. Now this is look like a log a by b, I am right? Log a by b na, the formula log the formula what ma? Log a minus log b, which is equal to log a divided by b. That formula I am going to use now. Okay, which means this is positive log a. A means what? Root 17 plus 3 divided by root 17 minus 3. Okay, this is log a. Divide means here. Divide log b. B value what? root 17 minus 1 divided by root 17 plus 1. Okay, the division, if you want a multiplication now, what you have to do, ma? You have to reciprocal the second number. Means denominator when I take the numerator, it will be reciprocal. Can I have the first page, pa? Are we done? Is anyone writing the first page? What about this since portion, pa? This one. Are we done? Is anyone writing? Boy side, girl side. Right, pa. Raja, listen. So that 1 divided by root 17 into log 17. Sorry. What is that? 17 plus root 17 plus 3 divided by root 17 minus 3. When you reciprocal this will become multiply. Means root 17 plus 1 divided by root 17 minus 1. Okay. Let me use normal bracket. Everything positive only, no. Suppose I will give modulus itself. We cannot say the without looking final number. Right. 1 divided by root 17 log of you have to multiply this one. Okay, take 1 by 1, root 17 into 17, root 17 into 1, like that. Root 17 into 17, 17. What I am getting? 17 you will be getting. Root 17 into 1, root 17 you will be getting. Root 17. Next 3 into root 17, 3 root 17. What I am getting, pa? 3 root 17. Okay. Next 3 into 1 plus 3. That's it. Be careful when you multiply. Like the denominator. 17 into 17, just 17. 7 into minus 1 minus 17. Minus 3 into 17 minus 3 root 17. Minus into minus plus 3 ones are 3. Okay, Raja? Right. Next, Raja. So whatever possible to add, you add ma. Root 17 into log of 17 plus 3, 20 plus 1 root 17, 3 root 17, 4 root 17 you can say. Okay. Whole divided by 17 plus 3 denominator also 20. This also minus 4 root 17. Right, fine. Now what is common? You take both numerator and denominator. Ba. When you take 4 outside, you will be getting 5 plus root 17. And here also 4 if you take outside, 5 minus root 17. Now this 4 cancelled. What, my dear? The 4 you can cancel. After cancel, what we have remaining? 1 divided by root 17 log of 5 plus root 17 divided by 5 minus root 17 is my required final answer for the question number 6. Ma, you can stop here or rationalize the denominator inside the log itself. Inside the log itself, if you want, you can do what is the rationalize the denominator. So that 1 divided by root 17 log of 5 plus root 17 divided by 5 minus root 17. Now, you can rationalize the denominator. Means denominator whatever we have, that you can multiply. Okay, with opposite sign. With the opposite sign you can multiply. So 5 minus root 17 5 plus root 17 divided by 5 plus root 17. That I am doing here. Understand? So what I am getting? 1 divided by root 17 log of numerator we have a whole square. Okay. So that you can apply the square. 5 square 25, root 17 square 17. 2ab means 2 5s are 10 into root 17 whole divided by denominator a plus b a minus b. A plus b, a minus b, now we can say 5 square means 25. Root 17 square, that is 17. Okay. Now you simplify. 1 divided by root 17, that is log of what is 25 plus 17 pa? 20, 30, 35, 42. 42 plus 10 root 17 divided by 25 minus 17 what pa? 8. Now you can take commonly outside whatever we have. Okay. What we can take? 2 you can take, that's it. 1 divided by root 17, 2 if you take outside, it will become 21. 21 plus 5 root 17 divided by 8 is there. Divided by 8. This 2 and 8 you can cancel with help of number 4. So that 1 divided by root 17 log 21 plus 5 root 17 divided by 4 you can say. That's it. This is your book bag answer they gave. Understand? Generally rationalize the denominator they will be doing. Here we have irrational number. No, root 17 is irrational number. So that they are doing with a number. What is the rationalize the number they are doing? Rationalize the denominator they are doing. Children, very important thing you must notice. Here I used a plus b whole square formula. Mean 5 square root 17 square plus 2ab. Okay. And denominator what I used, this is a plus b, a minus b na, a square means 5 square minus root 17 square. Then you will be getting 25 minus 17. That is very important. Other things and all okay, normal work only I have done. Understand? Be careful here. Ma question number 17. Sorry, 7. Question number 7. Raja, in I is equal to integral minus 1 to 1, 1 divided by x square plus 2x plus 5 into dx. Listen, x square plus 2x plus 5. Let's simplify this like same previous one. Okay. Coefficient of x square 1 must come. Okay, 1. Coefficient of x value 2. 2 when you divide by 2 na 1. So that 2x let it be. That 1 we have to square no. So 1 square minus 1 square. That 5 let it be as it is. So first 3 number will form the formula. So that what I am getting, x plus 1 whole square minus 1 square 1 plus 5. We can write that x plus 1 whole square plus 4. 4 you can rewrite that x plus 1 whole square plus 2 square. Understand? This is the simplification we have done the given question. Now minus 1 into 1, 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square plus 2 square into dx. You know about me, I can write directly this is x square plus a square tan inverse formula. But this is substitution exercise, no. So you take t is equal to x plus 1. When I differentiate dt is equal to x derivative dx. X derivative what part? Dx. 1 derivative 0. Then dt equal to dx. Right, fine. So that what I am getting, integral 1 divided by x plus 1 I assumed as a t square. 2 square let it be as it is. And dx is equal to dt here we have. Dx is equal to dt here we have. So that dt. Right, fine. And what about the table? Means limit. Limits what they give. Limit minus 1 to plus 1. Suppose if I am giving x is equal to minus 1 na, t here we have. Here you have to substitute. So that t is equal to minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. So lower limit 0. And upper limit. X is equal to plus 1 if I give. Then t equal to 1 plus 1 which is equal to 2. So that 2 I am giving. So this is what formula we know, children? Tan inverse formula. This is what Raja? Tan inverse. Tan inverse formula what ma? Can you tell me anyone? Integral 1 divided by x square plus a square na into dx is equal to 1 by a into tan inverse x divided by a plus c. Okay. This is the formula that I am going to use. 1 by a value 2 here and tan inverse t divided by 2 and limit 0 to 2 we have to apply. Apply the limit pa. First tan inverse 2 by 2. 2 by 2 we can say 1 minus tan inverse 0 by anything 0. Right. Now what is the answer we have? What is that? 1 by 2. Tan inverse 1 na pi by 4. Tan inverse 1 na 0 which is equal to pi divided by 8 is my required answer for question number 7. That's it. Question number 8. I is equal to integral 1 to 2 1 divided by x minus 1 divided by 2 into x square e power 2x into dx. Raja, generally children, generally e power x comes in we will be trying in that formula. What formula? Integral what is that? E power x into what is that? F of x in what is that color? Okay. What is that? F of x plus f dash of x which is equal to e power x into f of x plus c. Children, when we can use this formula? When we have e power 1x. When we have e power 1x, we can use. But here we have e power 2x. That is the problem. Okay, that one you have to simplify. Means e power 1x must be need, or else the 2x you take as a t. Okay, then 2x you take as a t. Then t is equal to 2x. When I differentiate, dt is equal to 2 into x derivative dx. 2 when you send opposite, dt divided by 2 is equal to dx. That's it. We understand? Now you have to simplify this so that x is equal to integral 1 divided by x it seems. X now what is the x bar? From here you can find x. From here you can find x. Okay. So from here you can find x. X value what? T divided by 2 equal to x. And I need x square also. X square also. When you square on both sides, what you will be getting? T square divided by 4 is equal to x square. But this is all important. Okay. I'm going to replace these things in the question. Right? Fine. Listen. So that I is equal to 1 divided by x. X in the sense what pa? T divided by 2. X means what pa? T divided by 2. Okay. T divided by 2. And minus 1 divided by 2 into x square. X square value what we have? T square by 4. What pa? T square divided by 4. Right. Into e power 2x what we assumed? T. 2x what we assumed pa? T. Into dx what we got? As a dt by 2. So that dt divided by 2. That's it. The whole question we have simplified like this. Be careful here. Now you can cancel this one time, how many time? 2 time. Okay. And take this to outside. Take this to outside. Let's see what we are getting. Right. So 1 by 2 into integral this t by t, when you take numerator 2 by t you will be getting. What I am getting? 2 divided by t minus this also when you take numerator what I am getting pa? 2 divided by t square into e power t into dt. Right. Again 2 you can take outside pa. 2 you can take outside. 2 if you take outside, it will be 1 by t plus minus 1 divided by t square into e power t into dt. Now you can notice very clearly, this is look like a f of x. This is look like a what ma? F of x is equal to 1 by t na. What? Sorry, f of t. When you differentiate 1 by t, what you will be getting? Minus 1 divided by t square. So this is f of t na. The second one surely f dash of t. Okay. So that I can use a formula. What formula? And this one outside cancelled. Okay. 2 we can cancel surely. When you cancel 1. So what formula I can use? This formula I can use. So e power x into f of x. So e power x into f of x means e power t into f of t what na? 1 by t. Okay, 1 by t. 1 divided by t. Plus c don't use. We should apply the limit. Limits still we didn't convert illaya. Convert pannilla. Table potrunga. X value and t value. What is the x pa? 1 2, 2 is given. X value 1 and 2 is given. So here we have to multiply the x value with the 2. That's it. So 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Then what I am getting? 2 to 4. Here also 2 to 4. Here also 2 to 4. Then 2 to 4. Apply the limit, you will be getting the required. First upper limit. Upper limit what ma? Let me apply it this side. What is upper limit ma? 4. So e power 4 divided by 4 minus and lower limit. E power 2 divided by 2. So what you can take outside ma? E power 2 divided by 2 if you take outside na. E power 2 divided by 2 minus 1. Understand? So when you take cross multiply, what I am getting? E power 2 divided by 2. E power 2 minus 2 divided by 2, which is equal to e power 2 divided by 2 to the 4 into e power 2 minus 2 you can write. That's it. You can stop either here or here. Not an issue. They will accept surely. Okay. For next, question number 9. Question number 9 actually Raja, they may ask in 3 mark also. Now they gave in a MCQ. But if they not given option, they may ask in the 3 mark also, one of the important question. Okay. So that I is equal to integral 1 divided by 3 to 1 x minus x power 3 x minus x power 3 whole power 1 by 3 whole divided by x power 4 into dx. Listen, in this model we have 3 questions, one here, one in example, one more in the miscellaneous. If you focus here, the model you can learn, very important question. Listen pa, when we have c power c denominator, in the power 1 divided by 3 is there. Whatever the number is given in the power denominator, same power if they given what is that inside the bracket na, you have to apply this method what I am telling. Okay. So that what we have here 3r, this is also 3r. So x power 3 you take outside. X power 3 you take outside in the bracket itself. So what I am getting, x divided by x power 3 minus 1 whole power 1 by 3. What I am doing, inside the bracket itself, I am taking x power 3 outside. Here, no x power 3, so I am dividing. Here there is x power 3. When you take x power 3, that will be 1. That's it. And denominator x power 4 will be as it is. That I am not doing anything into dx. Is it okay? Now apply power 1 by 3 for this and this separately. Apply power 1 by 3. Here 1x, 1 cancelled, na, remaining 2 will be there. Remaining what ma? 2 will be there. Okay. Now let's start. So integral 1 divided by 3, 1. When you apply power 1 by 3, x power 3 whole power 1 by 3 into 1 divided by x square minus 1 whole power 1 divided by 3 whole divided by x power 4 into dx. Now you can cancel this, what is that, power 3 you can cancel, 1 by 3 you can cancel. Then what I have remaining here, I is equal to limit 1 by 3 to 1 x into 1 divided by x square minus 1 whole divided by x power 4 into dx, and power we have 1 by 3. You can cancel this x and here, so it will be 3. So that remaining what I am getting, 1 divided by 3, 1 minus, sorry, what is that, 1 divided by x square minus 1 whole power 1 by 3 divided by x power 3 into dx. Now let's take t is equal to whole numerator without power. So 1 divided by x square minus 1. When you differentiate this, what are you getting? T derivative dt, 1 divided by x square derivative what, Bob? Anyone knows this? 1 divided by x square derivative what? Minus 2 divided by x power 3. Is anyone know this? Children, you have to learn. See, 1 by x square, when you take the numerator x power minus 2. When you differentiate, minus 2 will be coming down, then power 1 will be reduced. So that minus 2 into x power minus 3, that minus 3 you can write x power 3. This is I have mentioned it directly here. Yesterday also I said this. Right, fine. Now let's start this. In x derivative dx minus 1 derivative 0. So that I have divided x cube, okay, but minus 2 you have to send opposite. So dt divided by minus 2, which is equal to 1 divided by x cube into dx. This is I am going to replace here. So that I is equal to integral, the whole thing in a numerator I assumed t with the power 1 by 3 and divide x cube into dx became dt divided by minus 2. Okay, minus 1 by 2 when you take outside, what is integral of t power 1 by 3 na? T power 1 by 3 plus 1 divided, what is that plus 1 ma? When you add, what you will be getting? 1 by 3 plus 1? 4 by 3 ah? Okay, divided by same 4 divided by 3 and limit we have to apply. Limit you should find, no? What is the limit? Let's find here. Limit, let me make a table here, okay? So that this is the x t. What is the x they gave pa? 1 by 3 and 1. 1 by 3 when you apply here, what I am getting? 1 by 3 when you apply here, what I am getting? X value 1 by 3 na, t is equal to, listen carefully, 1 by x square na, 1 by 3 square 9, okay, and minus 1. 1 by 9 when you take the numerator, 9 minus 1, which is equal to 8. So lower limit 8 pa. Lower limit what ma? 8. And what about upper limit? Let me find. Suppose x value 1 na, t is equal to 1 by 1 square minus 1. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Then 0. So here upper limit what I am getting ma? 0. So that 8 to 0. 8 to what my dear? 0. Simplify this. Outside we have minus 1 by 2. Upper limit when you apply 0 minus lower limit 8. 8 power 4 by 3. 8 power 4 by 3 divided by 4 by 3. Okay. Now simplify this. So minus into minus plus 1 by 2. 4 by 3 when you take numerator 3 divided by 4. And 8 you can write that as 2 cube. 8 you can write that as 2 cube. Whole power 4 divided by 3. So this 3 cancelled. And here also 3 divided by 4 2s are 8 into 2 power 4 na 16. So that 1 time how many time? 2 time. How many time Raja? 2 time this will be. So that 3 2s are what pa? 6 is my required answer. Option A. So I told you they will be asking in the MCQ as well as 3 mark question. Very important question. Only 3 question in this model we have. Only 3 question in this model we have. Understand? Right, fine. Pa, listen. Question number 10 pa. F of x is equal to, they gave integral 0 to x t into sin t into dt. Then f dash of x is equal to what? Listen carefully my dear. F dash of x is equal to what they are asking. First you find f of x ma. You should remove the, what is that? Integral. Okay, then only you will be getting. First you take integral. This is with the help of highlight only. Means integrating by parts only you have to go. Integrating by part. T means algebra. Sin t na trigonometry. So that u is equal to algebra. That is t. And v is equal to sin t. Children, u dash what ma? 1 integral v dt equal to, that is what? Sin, which is equal to minus cos t. Right, fine. Formula we know very well. Integral uv dt is equal to what they gave, u into integral v dt minus u dash into integral v dt into overall dt. What is the variable based on that? You should make a formula. Okay, don't do in a x. This is the t. Okay, so that this is what integral t to sin t into dt. Limits also gave 0 to x, which is equal to u what not t. Integral v into dt na we have minus cos t. So that minus cos t integral u dash 1 integral v dt na minus cos t into dt. So that minus t into cos t, minus into minus plus integral cos t na what you can write ba? Sin t you can write directly. Okay, and limit is given. What is limit is given? 0 to x. Limit is what given pa? 0 to x. And this one we can say that as a f of x given by the question. So when you simplify you will be getting the f of x. Apply the limit pa, you will be getting. So that f of x is equal to upper limit x into cos x plus sin x minus lower limit of 0. 0 you will be getting. So x into cos x plus sin x. Where we have this ma? Oh no. This is f of x. They asked f dash of x. Sorry. Differentiate ma. F dash of x we have to find. Children, you should use uv formula. uv. Have you remember uv formula when you differentiate? uv whole dash is equal to u dash v plus u v dash. So that x derivative 1 into cos x plus x, let it be as it is, cos derivative minus sin. Okay, that's it. Plus sin derivative what na? Cos x. Sin derivative what na? Cos x. This is fully uv derivative pa. This is for a sin derivative. So be careful when you go. So what we have then? Cos x plus cos x na? 2 cos x. 2 cos x minus x into sin x. Is there anything? Where I missed anything else? Raja, We don't have this option, I'm right. I did some mistake. See once again what I did. Sorry, there is a minus here. I didn't notice this minus. There is minus. For that minus, you should put here, I'm right. Minus, you should put here. You should put here. So minus is common in both the term. Now apply the minus first. So minus cos x, minus into minus, plus x sin x, plus cos x. Oh, it's cancelled then. What is the option then? X into sin x. What is the option? Answer B. Okay, this is f dash of x. So be careful. I didn't notice this minus. So when you give minus, that minus will be commonly standing for all the terms. Okay, that's it, Raja. I hope that's it. Yeah. So next exercise, I'll come with the next video. Thank you, children. Take care. Bye. See you later.